Hello friends, welcome to our channel No Nuggets, a place where you will gain information through nuggets of knowledge. This is our Power BI series, your ultimate guide to becoming a data visualization and analysis expert. In this comprehensive series, we'll take you on a journey through the powerful world of Power BI. This is video 3 of 5 video series. Please make sure to watch previous video of the series if you haven't done so already. In this video, we dive into the world of interactive data analysis. Discover how to create dynamic reports that empower you to explore, analyze, and uncover insights like never before. We'll introduce the concept of interactive visualizations and explore how they can elevate your data analysis experience in Power BI. From slicers and filters to drill-throughs and tooltips, we'll guide you through every step of enhancing your data stories. Let's dive in and learn about the power of interactivity. Let's begin by opening Power BI Desktop and loading the report we created using data from Sales, Customers, and Products table. Let's look at data in these tables. Please go through video 1 and video 2 of our series to learn about data import process, data modeling and visualizations. Once the report is loaded, navigate to the Report view by clicking on the Report icon in the left-hand pane. In the Report view, you'll see the visualizations we already created. These static visualizations provide valuable insights, but we can make them even more engaging and interactive. Interactive visualizations allow users to engage with the data and tailor their analysis according to their specific needs. They can filter, slice, and drill down to explore different aspects of the data dynamically. By making our reports interactive, we can deliver a more personalized and immersive experience to our audience. It enhances data exploration, encourages data-driven decision-making, and facilitates deeper insights. Some of the key interactive features in Power BI include slicers, filters, drill-throughs, and tooltips. In our report, we already have slicer for product category. Notice how our visualizations change as we select specific product category. To further enhance interactivity, let's add a second slicer for the country field. This way, users can explore the data by selecting specific region. Drag the country column from the Customers table to the slicer. Customize the country slicer to complement the report's theme and make it user-friendly. Great job! Now users can filter the data not only by product category but also by specific region. Experiment with the slicers to see how they interact with the visualizations. When users select a category or country, the entire report will update accordingly. Let's explore drill-throughs for more in-depth data exploration. Drill-throughs allow users to dive into more detailed data by clicking on specific elements. Before we implement drill-throughs, let's identify which visualizations could benefit from more detailed exploration. In our report, we have a bar chart showing sales revenue by product category. Let's implement a drill-through for this chart to explore sales revenue by individual products. Click on New Page to create a new page of report where the detailed data will be displayed. In the new page, you can add visualizations that provide more granular details about the selected product category, such as sales and quantity by individual products. For our drill-through example, let's add a table visualization to display sales details for individual products. Drag the product name and total revenue columns from the products and sales table to the table visualization. Now, navigate to drill-through section under Visualizations pane and drag Category column from Products table to Add drill-through fields here, field. Go to page 1 and when users right-click on a bar in the bar chart, you will see drill-through option that'll take you to page 2, where they can explore sales revenue for individual products. Experiment with the drill-through to see how it allows users to navigate to more detailed data from the summary chart. With drill-throughs, you provide your users with the freedom to explore and analyze data at a granular level. Now, we'll explore tooltips for on-the-spot data insights. Tooltips allow users to get on-the-spot insights when they hover over data points. In our report, we have a bar chart showing sales revenue by product category. Let's hover over data points in the bar chart. They'll see tooltips with valuable insights about each product category. Similarly, if you hover over data points in the donut chart, it will display more information about each category. In case you don't see tooltips for a particular visualization, then select Visualization, navigate to Tooltips under General tab of Format Visualization section and turn on Tooltips. Tooltips elevate the user experience and make your visualizations more engaging and informative. Let's look at filters now. Filters allow us to focus on specific aspects of the data by selecting criteria that match our analysis. Let's add a filter to our report. Expand Filters pane. Besides Visualizations pane, you will see options to add filters on one page or on all pages of report. Let's choose the field you want to filter, such as Order Date. Drag Order Date field under Sales Table to Add Data Fields box under Filter on this page. Now, users can interact with the filter to focus on sales on specific dates and analyze data accordingly. Let's look at sales in the month of June by selecting all June dates. You can add multiple filters to create more complex analyses and refine your visualizations further. Congratulations! You've learned how to create interactive visualizations using slicers, drill-throughs, tooltips, and filters in Power BI. These interactive elements empower users to explore and analyze data dynamically, making your reports more impactful and user-friendly. Thank you for joining us in this video on interactive visualizations. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.